So today I want to show you that how we want to promote the IC in new motherboard. So if you show people here, like show people here, show people here. This is your workstation. It's getting hot. So now I want to show you that how you want to promote IC from the direct board, change to another IC in another motherboard. Be taken care with your workstation. Yes, we are promote the direct IC. Yes. I'm showing that we have many different direct boards in new computers and other old computers. So if you have any problem with your computers, so no matter how you are using multimeter to save your problem before, knowing that can solve your problem. Not here. Zoom. Sure, this motherboard right now is functioning 0.1.0. So we are measuring the volt since that old volt while showing us 0.0. Let us zoom in showing that. The motherboard is 0.0. But if we calculate it, that board is working board. This is a working board. We are replacing the IC 0.1.0. That is right now this is functional. I like shut down. So we want to show you that how we want to use the motherboard in crackers and be testing the board. Before you configure the system, no matter how you will test it, don't mistakenly about cliff, sweets, and many problems.